See a child get peace, but look, he's not greedy.
These are mommy's birds. Everywhere mommy goes, she feeds nature. And everywhere mommy is, nature is close by. She has about 20 or 30 of these little finches. We have a couple squirrels. We have blue jays. And did we have any cardinals, Ma?
Yeah.
Okay, we had cardinals
And
too.
woodpeckers, but not today.
And woodpeckers. But nature always follows mommy. Oh, there you go. More food. More food. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mommy's kicking it up a notch. Here we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. Everybody got some.
It's all gone. Good job, Emily. You're late to the party, dude. There's still some left for you.
If I had really good bird seed, we could have songbirds and blue jays.
Oh,
and
look at
woodpeckers.
everybody. Everybody's getting a little piece of it.
Instead of throwing it away.
Look at this big bird compared to the little tiny finches. You couldn't take his food away? Really?
No, he's humble.
You can let the little bird have it.
Oh, look at some too. There's plenty for everybody.
Only you bring this sort of wildlife.
It was cool when there was rabbits.
Wherever we go, nature follows you.
Yeah. They're hungry. Gotta feed the children. Feed 'em. Oh, here
Gotta
comes the
feed
squirrel.
the children of the world.
Here he comes. Here he is.
Oh, I see him over there.
No, right there by the trunk of the car.
Where?
Right there, silver car, right there.
Oh, there you go, Mr. Squirrel. Even the squirrel got some bread. Even the squirrel got some bread. That's what I'm saying. Mommy takes care of birds, squirrels.
Usually I
Okay.
give them bird food. I don't give them bread. It's not good for them, but that's all I have. So I don't have anything. Can't give me anything I don't have. Something like that.
Birds are trying to fly by and take away the food. Wow, okay. Everybody else is happy. Mommy keeps throwing food out. The birds keep eating it. Oh, the squirrel's coming over. Oh my God, it's a competition. The squirrel and the birds. Squirrel and the birds. Ma, you're throwing bread on me, okay? I'm not a squirrel or a bird. Whoa, where you going, dude? Oh, the car. Alright, what's going on down here? Look at all these birds here. I don't like spiders and snakes. Mira, Ma, there's harmony here. You have little birds, you have big birds, the freaking squirrels right there. Everybody's living together, everything's happy. Look at that. You big bully. Yeah. But you see, the birds are really not that afraid of them.
Well, the birds got some earlier.
Yeah.
City critters.
I know the squirrel walked up to the birds and he said, "How you doing?"
He's cute, right?
Look at this, Mommy. This is harmony. This is
I wish I had
nature
real bird
living,
food, 'cause
nature
you would
living
see
together.
A lot of animals if I had good
We can have all these different birds and the squirrel, and everybody's just hanging out. Everybody's happy. And that's the way the world should be. One, two, three, four, five, 6 small ones, 3 big ones.
Yeah, I don't have anything else.
And the squirrel is still not moving. It's like, you guys can fight it out if you want. Oh, he's hiding from the car is what it is. All right, this can go on for hours. So we're just gonna go ahead and shut it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I don't know how many birds are down there. Uh-oh. There's some squirrel action going on over here. Squirrel action. Uh-oh. Squirrel's taking over.
I wonder if they'll go for the cranberries.
Oh, there's another one over here. There are 2 squirrels, Ma.
Can you smell the cranberries?
There are 2 squirrels.
You don't want the cranberries. You want the bread. I was trying to get the cranberries on the sidewalk to see if you'd see them eating it, but apparently not.
All right,
There you go.
we're going to shut this down.
Okay.